Hello, my name is Dani Ortega. I am 22 years old. In my free time, I like to listen music. I live in Candelaria Valle. On my last vacation, I went fishing. I lived with my mom, and I am starting to become a business administration. Today I will tell you how to prepare an orange chicken, and here are the ingredients that we are going to need. Ingredients: chicken breast, onions, oranges, soy sauce, garlic cloves, vinegar, sugar, cornstarch, salt and pepper, olive oil, parsley. Preparation 1. Firstly, we squeeze the soma from the orange and we add minced garlic, a pinch of salt, a little bit of sugar, also add cornstarch, vinegar, pepper, and soy sauce to taste. 2. Afterwards, we mix the ingredients and we prepare the chicken breast in a pan. Add salt, olive oil, chopped onion, and chicken pieces. 3. After that, let cook for a few minutes at the sauce that we prepare at the beginning. 4. Last, the ball stir everything until the sauce drools up. This is a perfect meal for family integration. I am bald, love meal, eat Christmas dinner. Bye.